ready to supercharge your website's credibility and turn visitors into loyal customers. Let's dive into embedding Google reviews on your WordPress website, step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. The easiest way is with a plugin. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Google Reviews. You'll find a range of plugins. Look for one with good ratings and a high number of installs. Something like Widget for Google Reviews or Site Reviews is a good starting point. Click Install now on your chosen plugin and then activate it. Once activated, find the plugin's settings page. Usually, in the WordPress menu, you'll need to connect it to your Google Business profile. Follow the plugin's instructions to authenticate and link your account. Now, let's display those reviews. Go to Appearance and then Widgets. Find the Google Reviews widget provided by your plugin and drag it to your desired location, such as your sidebar or footer. Customize the widget settings. You can usually control the number of reviews shown, the layout, and even filter reviews based on rating. Some plugins offer a shortcode option. This allows you to embed reviews directly into a page or post. Copy the shortcode and paste it into the desired location. And there you have it. Your website is now showcasing authentic customer feedback, building trust, and boosting conversions. Experiment with different plugins and layouts to find what works best for your site.